It's too late now.
It's too late. We're gonna freeze. That's okay. Oh, it's not terrible. I thought it was gonna be like first. Yeah, I thought. Ooh. It's very deceiving from down there. I'm scared. We gotta go. I hear dinos.
Giants walk the earth. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
They seem to have a bad history, which is kind of stuff, you know? Oh, there's a foot, like when people are
The ultrasaurs of this universe are among the largest creatures ever. Yet despite their awesome size, these gentle giants pose no threat to us.
Those are good sounds.
These are the most primitive of the world's dinosaurs. A group of herbivores that includes Hagrasaur and the mighty Triceratops. Heavy armor clothing and spiked tails protect these herbivores from savage predators of their native period. With plenty of vegetation from their native periods, ensuring long, healthy lives for these magnificent animals. Next up on our tour is Hagrasaur Cove.
This is Jurassic Park Animal Control. It looks like one of the Hagrasaurs has knocked your boat off course. You are entering the Raptor containment area. Please stay silent. Look at your boat. Stop it. Not out of the boat.
Oh, that's not good. That's not good. That was more than I expected.
In the bath.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I know. Here we go now. Okay. That's a good drop. My hood came off a hole. Because I was able to tighten it up.